The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.